Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to go through and show you how you can change your gamertag. So first of all, as you can see, I'm logged into my Xbox account on my browser right here, and from here what you need to do now is you simply need to come to the top right hand corner, click on your profile picture and your gamertag. What this will do is it will give you two options. So now we need to click on Xbox profile. And then we will now be on this page right here, and now what we need to do is click on this little pencil icon right next to our gamertag. So once we click on this, as you can see, it will redirect us over to this page, and from here what we can do is we can enter in our new gamertag into this box right here. So for me, I will just put something like Ryan HTO to reflect my YouTube channel right here, and then what we can do is we can click on check availability. And then once we click on check availability, it will say obviously if this gamertag is now available. And then what you can do is you can go ahead and click on change gamertag. Obviously, once you confirm this, as you can see, the old gamertag that you are using will then be available to other Xbox users to change their gamertag to. So please keep this in mind if you're going to change your gamertag. And it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.